Today we're going to show you how to adjust your headlights that you just put in your 2005 to 2009 Mustang. See our video on how to do that. And we got a lot of questions about how do I actually get the beams to line up. What you need is a long Phillips head screwdriver. Let's show you how to do it right now. Come on over to your light and you'll see right here is an adjustment. And you just put your Phillips head screwdriver in there and turn it, and you can see how it moves the light there. And that's how you adjust your headlights. And you can do it on this side, and then on your passenger side over here, here's one right here. Same thing here. And then we'll show you how to line them up and make them both even. Pull your car in your garage, turn your lights on, and see if it's your driver's side and then your passenger side, and see if they're even, and you can adjust them with your Phillips head screwdriver. That's how you adjust them. It's going higher and lower. See how that twists? And you start twisting. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.